You are going to love the 2010 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.